In this video, you'll learn how to set up the Wi-Fi on your GRP2615. If you're connecting over Wi-Fi instead of Ethernet, here's how to do so. From the main screen, press the center navigation key. Scroll to System. From there, select Wi-Fi Settings. Then, if Wi-Fi is disabled, enable Wi-Fi if you haven't already. When the Wi-Fi has been enabled, go down to Scan and scan for available networks. You will then see a list of available networks. Go ahead and choose the one you want to connect to. Then, navigate down to Password and use the dial pad to type in the password. Once you have the correct password for your Wi-Fi, you're going to tap the Connect soft key. And that is how you connect your GRP2615 to Wi-Fi.